Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm in the living room. I'm not in my studio where I normally am when I do these videos. But the reason I'm in the living room today is because we've got a big shoot coming up tomorrow. We are doing Santa photos. We've got a dozen kids coming tomorrow evening. So today and tomorrow, my wife and I are decorating the living room, which we would normally decorate for Christmas, but we're doing it a little early this year. But we've got to make this room look phenomenal because it's going to be the set for Santa photos. It's been about 10 years since we did this, and we had a lot of success when we did it before, so we thought let's bring it back. We've got an amazing Santa coming in, and when we advertised that we were going to do this, all the slots filled up really quickly, so that was a blessing. And so I'm excited. It's going to be great, but we're going to spend the next couple of days getting this room perfectly situated, get the lighting right. It's going to be great. So that's what we're doing today, and that's why we're in the living room. Okay, so it's the morning of day 2. Today is Santa shoot day, so we're finishing up all the decorations and all the propping and all the setup, if you will, to make sure everything's right. Once we get really close and get everything in place, I'm going to start bringing lights in, and we'll do all the testing and make sure that everything is fantastic before we get going this evening. Now, we made a lot of progress yesterday, but there's a lot to it, and we, probably over decorate to a certain extent, but we've got a vision in our mind that this thing is going to be awesome and simple and straightforward and all about Santa and the kid, but at the same time I want a lot of details and a lot of elements in there just to make this thing special. So we're going to continue to get the set going, like I said, and then we'll start lighting it and getting all that in order, but we're getting close. Santa is on his way. Okay, so we're getting close. We're a couple hours away from the start of this little photo shoot, and we're getting closer and closer to getting it all set up. We're not quite there yet. My wife is still working on a wreath that's going to hang. But let me show you where we're at. Let me show you where we're at with the lighting and stuff. Here is my living room, and that's basically the set. We may do some changing around last minute, I'm sure, but I think we're pretty close. I got the camera over here, so it's going to look something like that. I've got one softbox up here acting as my main. I actually put the egg carton grid inside it. I've never used that before, and it made a huge difference. What I was having a problem with was a lot of light spilling over here. Put that grid on it, and it concentrated it right there on the chair, so that was great. A lot of ambient light as far as warm Christmas lights and desk lights and all that in the background. And then for like a hair light or an accent light, if you come into the studio here, you can see I've hid this little light on a stand, and it is pointing back towards the chair to act as an accent light. Now, we're going to have Santa in this room, and when the kids sit in the chair, he will sneak in. So I've got this on a boom arm so that it won't be in his way. He won't be tripping over any legs or stands and stuff. So he'll walk in here. We'll do a little picture of him sneaking up behind the kids, and then, of course, surprising them, and he'll sit down, and should work pretty well. The test shots so far are great. One thing I've got to kind of watch is, if you notice, there is light coming through that window at the moment. The sun will go down a little after 5 o'clock, which is when we start. So that window will get dark as we go, and hopefully that won't be a problem. I actually think it'll add more drama to the shot. So I think that'll all be great.
Right. Chelsea! So would you put your hands down? Good. He's a put hands down.
Can you girls look at that light? Oh,
He's a great.
Can we smile?
Okay, so that is a wrap. That was a long 2 hours. It went very, very well. We had one kid that was a little bit rough. He wasn't having it, but everybody else did really pretty good. A couple of them, the kids got a little scared. And there were some tears, but they were cute tears, which was fantastic. And the moms and the dads seemed to be very happy with the shots. I will show you a few of them as I'm talking here. But yeah, for a kind of a first shoot, since we haven't done this for over 10 years, but I think it went really, really well. And we gave everybody 10 minutes to get through, and I think we could have gone faster in a way. But anyway, thanks for watching. Tell me what you thought in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you would, and as always, if you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing. I appreciate you guys. And I'm gonna put my feet up and kick back and relax for the rest of the evening, because it's been a long day. It was a bit of a crazy shoot. So I will see you guys in the next video.